Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I was sitting here making some necklaces with the pendants that I made. I made this pendant maybe, I don't know, maybe a month or two back. And I am going to do a video showing how I created this part here, like with the wire and the stones on there like that, the beaded natural stones. And then that's another one of the painted beads, the little mask. And then we have some of the confetti rhinestone beads. And then the beads that I painted with some coconut chips. I think this one came out really nice. This one is going to go on the fair.com platform. So of course I'm doing the beads to do all the chokers. But I like these beads so much, and then they did match with this pendant that I went ahead and just made something different. And this one is going to go on there. And I didn't record the video because it's just a matter of me, stringing the beads on. So it's nothing really different about it. It's just basically stringing the beads on the wire, closing the wire off. Well, actually putting the pendant on the wire and then beading it. I mean, that would have took all of like probably 5 minutes to finish it. So I just figured I would just go ahead and it would have been different if I was creating the pendant. And then that would have been, something to see. But just stringing the wire and closing it off, that's no big deal. This is more for maybe necklace making idea or something, just to kind of provoke thought. But I hope everybody is enjoying their weekend so far. I had ran out this morning because I volunteered to do the sock and blanket drive at my job, and also to donate some socks. But then my plan was last week for this weekend, I was just gonna kick back, watch movies. I got even movies just picked out. I have watched a couple of them, but I couldn't just straight watch movies. I'm like, let me go in here and make something like an intermission type something. So that was my thought for this weekend. Just kick back, relax, not do very much of anything. But it didn't work out like that. Well, some of it worked out. I did watch a couple of movies, Collateral and then Law Abiding Citizen. And I like Jamie Foxx in movies. I think he's a really good actor. So what I did is I picked out, some of his movies. And I, watched two so far, Collateral and Law Abiding Citizen. Both pretty good movies. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. But this is basically kind of like an intermission. But I think this came out really nice. What you guys think? I love the bead. The beads are just, everything just matches like really, really well. And then that pendant. I'm going to have to do a video just to show how I make that. And that's it for right now. And guess what, family? We'll talk soon.